Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So now just market has opened. I have given one buy call. Buy at 25 and 26 with the SL of 5709. How I gave this call? It is very simple. In yesterday video, I had explained to you about Virgin CPR. The same word Virgin can be used for our indicator also as Virgin entry. So what is Virgin entry? If previous day's entry is not activated, then the same entry may be continued for the next trading session also. So that is the definition of Virgin entry which I have given based on the Virgin CPR. So now coming back to our yesterday's performance of the crude oil. And if you are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, also for our Telegram group called MST School of Trading. Also subscribe to our indicator if you want to subscribe. Okay. Now I tell you what happened yesterday in the crude oil. The crude oil first got activated here. It is opened here. Then it went up to this level. The high made was 5706 and our entry was 5709. So 3 points we are telling to keep buffer point if it is not reaching. Okay. So here in at 9:30 itself, we got an indication that sell is activated with a 3 points buffer. So immediately after that, what we have to do? We have to remove all other entries like second buy and first buy and enable the first sell targets and enable the second buy entry. So if you don't want to enter the second buy entry, you directly come here, come down here, you will see the SL. Okay, first sell SL. So this also you can enable. It is up to you. So now what happened with the 3 points buffer value? We have got 3 points, 3 targets, and all the 4 targets have been achieved. So where is the fourth target? Come down. Here in session 2, you will see first buy, fourth target. Here it is. First buy, first sell, fourth target. First sell, fourth target, and first sell, fifth target. So now you can enable all these things. So now what happened exactly? We got 4 to almost fifth target has been achieved. Almost fifth target has been achieved. Then market reversed. Why market reversed? So that also we can see as per indicator. I am keeping in default settings. See here. Here buy got activated. Here buy got activated. So people who did not keep the buffer value, so they would be entering exactly at this point 5661. Actually it is showing today. Yesterday was 5659. Okay, see here I am keeping for yesterday, it is 5659, and yesterday sell was 5711, but the low high made was 5706 only. So we cannot consider 5 points. Okay, we are considering maximum of 3 points, so we will consider sell is not activated. Sell is not activated. So this was the high, so sell is not activated. Buy only got activated, and our SL will be 5646, and our maximum target will be the sell entry, that is 5711. Otherwise, go here, you can enable the first buy targets and remove first sell, second buy, and enable second sell. So if all the targets have been achieved, then what you can do? You can keep it in 1:2. Okay, here I have kept tiny SL and tiny targets. So you can keep 1:2. So 1:2 also all targets achieved. 1:3 all targets achieved. So 1:3, the high was 5788, and our entry last target was 5793. So 1:3 also we have got all the 3 targets almost achieved. Okay, this is very simple method. Now yesterday I have given one more call, that is a reversal entry from 5776, and the high made was 5777 and the low made was 5714. How I gave the call? I had explained in the group. Here also I will explain. So simply what I did, I enabled this weekly buy zone, weekly sell zone, monthly buy zone and monthly sell zone. I enabled. Then what I did, this day, okay, this day you can see, this day weekly sell is not activated. So I drawn one line here, and this day also here weekly sell not activated. I drawn one more line. This day is weekly sell zone only, not activated, and here also it is monthly buy zone as weekly sell zone, but it is not traded day. So now I have formed 4 lines here. See here, the topmost one is the value of 5788, and yesterday high was 5788. So if you have drawn this already, then you would be ready with this level. If market is closing above 5788, then you can go for the buy entry. If it is closing below 5788, 5788 to 5770 in this range, then once the low of that candle is broken, you can go for the sell entry. This is the logic. I repeat once again. What I did, just I enabled weekly buy zone, weekly sell zone, monthly buy zone, monthly sell zone. Then I just went back and saw which of the day the trading is not activated. So I could see here this day is not activated, this day is not activated. So now here also you can ask me, sir, this day also trading is not activated. What do you say? See here, the high made was 5733. That was yesterday's first high. From there it has fallen to how many points? 5685. Almost some 50 points, 55 points you have got the profit. It is because of this virgin entry. It is because of the virgin entry. Okay, so that also you can do. So now again in today's market also it is in between this range. So if it is breaking this today's low, then we can go for the sell entry, otherwise we can go for the buy entry only. This is the another technique in addition to using our indicator. Okay, so as I told you, this is all purpose indicator. This is an all purpose indicator. You can use it in many way, not only the way it is showing as buy sell targets. That is for the people who don't have any knowledge in the price action. If you have a little bit of price action theory, then you can use this concept. So I told 5776 sell and the target was 5733. See here, this was the 5733, this line. Okay, so this line was the 5733. So this target only I gave. So the first target will be 5747, then the second target will be 5733, then 5728, 5724, 2216, 11. The yesterday low mid was 5714. So for that also we have a level. What level we had yesterday? So simply I changed to the reversal value of 360. Okay, so yesterday low here 5714, this was the low. So this call also I had given in the group. So how to change the time frame again and again? You may be getting this question, you may be confused, but mark my word, please practice for 1 month with the default settings. Please practice minimum for 1 month in a single script for 1 month. After that, you try to draw this support and resistance. So these support and resistance are already drawn, okay, automatically. You don't have to do anything. The thing what you have to do, you just extend the line. You just extend the line, that is enough. So again you see from 5714 two times it has hit, okay. Then it has reached to 5775. Again we have got some 61 points profit. So morning we got some entry here. Again we got the buy entry. We got a very good profit. Then one more sell entry. Then one more buy entry. So in this market, all the move can be captured. All the move can be captured if you correctly understand the indicator. So this one indicator is enough for all your trading life. Okay. You please practice this, and you will get a maximum profit from the market, but don't forget to start with practicing default settings. Okay, here I have given many things, but everything you can understand now. Clear? So now I am keeping in default settings. So by default I have made it tiny SL and tiny targets. If you want, you can change to small SL and small targets. It is up to you. And one more thing, we have added session breakout strategy. So one strategy I have already told you about, 9:15 to 9:30 with the help of 9 EMA breakout for the bank nifty and stocks and nifty also, right? And one more strategy I can teach you. This is not my strategy. This strategy is taught by Sant Baba. You all know he is a very good trader and trainer, and he is running a group called Sharing Caring. So what he has taught me is we have to change to Heikin-Ashi candle and remove all this part, Heikin-Ashi candle. Then keep 12:15 to 12:30 candle and enable session high, session low, and session this part. Now this works well only in the stock market, not in the commodity. Okay, so I show you in Maruti. Okay, yesterday what happened in the Maruti, I have chosen randomly. So this is 12:15 candle. The condition is there are three types of Heikin-Ashi candle. One candle without bottom tail, that is a bullish candle. Another candle without top tail, that is a bearish candle. And one more candle is the indecision candle, that is both side tail will be there. If you find a both side tail like a doji, you have to ignore the trade. Then if you found the bottom no tail, then you can go for the buy entry at the break of high. Similarly, at the break of low, you can go for the sell entry if you found the top no tail indicator. Top no tail what? Top no tail candle. Okay. See here, 12:15 this bottom, but high broken, stop loss hit. So here high broken, high not broken, so no trade. So here what was the low? Open equal to low. It is not the same. And this one is the perfect entry on 31st December. So it is at bottom there was no tail. So high broken, we have got very good profit. Okay. And this day it is an indecision candle. I will show you in Bank Nifty also. Okay. Yesterday what happened this one? I will enlarge it. Okay, this candle yesterday was indecision candle, so we have to avoid the trade. And previous day, what I have chosen the time frame, is it correct? 12:15 to 12:30, correct only. This day on 3rd January, bottom side there was no tail and high broken. See, all targets has been hit. Maximum profit we have got. So here also high broken, all targets hit. So here it is a red candle, but low is not broken. Here it is a, this is 9:15 candle. So let me search for 12:15. This is 12:15. And this is 12:15. See here, there was no tail at the bottom, high broken, targets hit. So target is minimum 1:1. Whatever SL you are keeping, the range of the candle. The range of the candle is the your first target, then you have to double it. So minimum trade 5 trades in a day based on this strategy, and you will get overall good profit. Thank you all for watching our video. So I think the market has opened in the Bank Nifty also. So let us see where the market will go now. Market has opened positive only. So let me show you with the help of our indicator. So what our indicator says, open moving average, all the three I'm adding, volume candle and super trend only to identify the trend. So now second buy, from second buy it has opened. Now we can buy when the market has given a retracement till up to 36,869. 36,869. If it is coming down, whatever is the low, so from here we can go for the buy entry. This will be your stop loss. If stop loss hit, it will come down. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you all for having watched our videos. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel. Please share our videos to all your trading friends. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy, profitable day.